Hey there, welcome to Protiv.
Welcome to Protiv.
Welcome to Protiv.
I'm David. I'm Ryan.
I'm Molly.
I'm Joe. Today I'm going to walk you through our mobile app. So first things first, make sure that you download the app from Apple's App Store, or if you use an Android device, their Play Store. Let's jump right in. This is going to be your default page whenever you sign in. So now let's look at the dashboard to make sure you understand everything correctly. Pending bonuses are approved ProPays that you haven't been paid for yet. Paid bonuses are ProPays that have been closed out. You already got the money for that. Open ProPays are incentive opportunities that you're working on. And closed ProPays is a record of all ProPays that have been closed. Pretty simple, right? In the center of the dashboard, you're also going to see the ProPay calculator. The ProPay calculator represents how workers and crew lead can forecast potential bonuses on a project. Let's actually look at an example. So let's say you're on a particular job and you think that you can beat this budget by 20%. Now keep in mind, this 20% is faster than the initial ProPay budget. What the app allows you to do is to see the team's potential bonus on a particular job as long as you abide by the company's quality standards and by not having any callbacks. Make sense? All right, let's go back to the dashboard. Now at the very bottom is where you're going to find our FAQs. These are exactly that, questions that are asked to us most frequently. At the top here, you're going to see an overview of Protiv, just to give you a big picture idea of who we are and what we do. And if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see a list of testimonials from workers like you who have seen a lot of success using Protiv. Next, we're going to navigate to the ProPay section. So to be clear, ProPays are bonus opportunities or incentives that you receive as a worker so you can earn extra money. Let's look at one. Within the app, you're going to see three main parts: overview, worker details, and activities. Overview is just that, big picture overview of everything. Also, you can click on the bonus goals if you want to see a particular bonus that's assigned to that job right here. Worker details are going to show you the information for workers that are assigned to the job. And activity, same thing. It's going to show you the activity that's happening on everything. Now let's press the back button and look at the last thing, which is bonuses. Now, bonuses is income that's earned from approved ProPays. It says it right there at the top. Now, to be clear, there's two different views: pending bonuses and paid bonuses. Pending bonuses represent approved ProPays that haven't been paid out to you yet. Paid bonuses represent ProPays that were approved, put in a pending bonus pipeline, and paid out to you on your paycheck. Now keep in mind that these bonus statements are particular to you and you're not going to see information from your colleagues, only your information. Okay? I hope this helps you understand the basics of our app. It's really simple once you start using it. We're going to be improving things frequently, and you're going to start seeing some pretty cool stuff roll out.
Remember, we're here to help you. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to use the help feature in Protiv, chat with us live, or email help@protiv.com.
Thank you so much for watching. Catch us next time for the next tutorial.